Extracting species profile. Acrocanthosaurus. A large carnosaur from early Cretaceous North America. The name Acrocanthosaurus means high-spined lizard. It had an unusually high spine, which may possibly have looked similar to that of Spinosaurus, or it may have been more like a humpback. Acrocanthosaurus would have been an apex predator of its time, just like its allosaur ancestors. It would have held its place at the top of the food chain, until the evolution of tyrannosaurs would have pushed it to extinction. Extracting species profile. Carnotaurus. A large abelisaur from Cretaceous South America. Made famous in pop culture because of its iconic horns, this is why it gets its name, which means meat-eating bull. It may have used these horns for attack or display. Carnotaurus had long powerful legs, perfectly adapted for running long distances at a very fast pace. Like other abelisaurs, Carnotaurus had a short, broad snout, perfectly suited for biting and gripping hard. Extracting species profile. Velociraptor. A small dromaeosaurid predator from Cretaceous Asia. Velociraptor may have hunted in packs to tackle highly aggressive prey, such as Protoceratops. The famous killing claw may have been used to pin down its victims, allowing Velociraptor to eat its prey alive, a tactic commonly used in modern-day birds of prey. Velociraptor was made widely famous by the film Jurassic Park, although in real life it would have been much smaller, but nevertheless dangerous. Extracting species profile. Giganotosaurus. A large carcharodontid carnosaur that lived in late Cretaceous Argentina. Giganotosaurus is one of the largest meat-eating dinosaurs, even bigger than the famous T-Rex. Unlike the crushing bite of the tyrannosaurs, Giganotosaurus was more adapted to slashing at its prey with serrated teeth. Giganotosaurus may have even preyed on sauropods, and some evidence suggests pack hunting behavior was not uncommon. Extracting species profile. Allosaurus. a large predatory theropod that lived during the Jurassic period. Allosaurus bones are the most common among predators in this time, indicating that Allosaurus was at the top of the food chain, often being referred to as the Lion of the Jurassic. Evidence suggests that it could open its mouth very wide, using its jaw and serrated teeth like an axe to inflict damage. Allosaurus may have hunted a wide range of prey, including stegosaurs, young sauropods, and ornithopods. Extracting species profile. Spinosaurus. A large predatory dinosaur that lived in North Africa during the Cretaceous period. Its alligator-shaped snout was equipped with pressure sensors, allowing Spinosaurus to detect prey underwater, and live much of its life like a crocodile. The swamps and rivers that Spinosaurus lived in were full of giant fish that it would have fed on. Although well adapted for aquatic hunting, Spinosaurus would have also been capable of taking down large prey on land. Extracting species profile. Baryonyx. A spinosaurid dinosaur famous for living in England during the early Cretaceous. It had a crocodile-like snout for catching fish, and large elongated claws which it might have used to spear its prey. Although the larger spinosaurs, such as Oxalia and Spinosaurus, may have been adapted for submarine hunting, Baryonyx was far more likely a wader, catching its prey in the shallows. As well as eating fish, fossil evidence shows Baryonyx would occasionally snack on land prey, such as the famously British dinosaur, Iguanodon. Extracting species profile. Tyrannosaurus. A large carnivorous theropod dinosaur from the late Cretaceous. Tyrannosaurus may have cared for its young, and lived in family groups. It would have hunted in these groups to help take down large prey. Tyrannosaurus actually had amazing eyesight, and possibly the most powerful bite force of any land animal. It lived alongside creatures such as Triceratops, Troodon, and Edmontosaurus, and was among the last non-avian dinosaurs to exist before the Cretaceous-Paleogene extinction. Extracting species profile. Ceratosaurus. A medium-sized carnivorous dinosaur from the Jurassic period. Ceratosaurus remains have been found in North America, Europe, and Africa. Ceratosaurus may have hunted in packs to take down a wide range of prey. Its teeth were unusually long, sometimes even growing longer than its jaw. Extracting species profile. Deinonychus. A species of dromaeosaurid dinosaur that lived in North America during the early Cretaceous. It would have used its hind claws to grip onto and disembowel prey. The name Deinonychus is Greek for terrible claw. By hunting in packs, Deinonychus would have been able to easily corner its prey and close in for the kill. Extracting species profile. Metriacanthosaurus. A medium-sized theropod dinosaur from the late Jurassic. First discovered in England, a complete skeleton is yet to be found. Metriacanthosaurus could have weighed just over a ton, and stood about 2 meters tall. First believed to be a genus of megalosaur, paleontologists now think that it is closer related to Allosaurus. Extracting species profile. Dilophosaurus. A carnivorous theropod from the early Jurassic. Evidence suggests that Dilophosaurus may have been able to grip its prey with long, powerful arms whilst fighting. It was specialized at killing early Jurassic animals such as prosauropods. Dilophosaurus was among the first dinosaurs to grow to a considerable size. The delicate crests on the Dilophosaurus head may have been used to attract and compete for mates.